Convener of Meitei Tribe Union MMTU Youth Wing, Haubizam Surjit emphasized the critical need to bolster Manipur's land laws to protect the Meitei community from extinction. He made these remarks during a one-day discussion program on land issues in Manipur organized by MMTU at Janim's Lecture Hall in Porompat, themed Aigi Imphal Aigi Hak. Surjit highlighted that many indigenous Meitei people face challenges due to the lack of land records. He stated that MMTU has conducted surveys revealing approximately 1 lakh improvised families without the land records across 5 valley districts of the state. While exact numbers are uncertain, it's estimated that over 1 lakh Meitei or Meitei families may lack proper land documentation. In addressing these issues, Surjit urged the government revise fees charged by authorities concerned while for changing the names of properties inherited from forefathers. Meanwhile, Administration Secretary of MMTU, Mutum Churamani, emphasized the urgent need for Revenue Department to promptly conduct a survey to gather data on Meitei individuals without land records. He highlighted that many families, despite voting for 70 years, live as tenants due to the lack of land ownership documents. The situation causes difficulties when applying for scholarships and in their children's education. Churamani also noted that these families face challenges in accessing job opportunities provided by central and state governments. He further expressed concern about the diminishing land available to the Meitei community after divided among other communities like Muslims, Nagas, Kukis, Nepalese and Marwaris. Churamani warned that if this trend continues, there may be no land left for future generations of the Meitei community, potentially leading to their extinction.
Chaurangna Manipur da hoi masagi yum leiba aduga masagi yum leiriba mafam da masagi right ki leitaba India gi piriba constitution na piriba privilege khudong chaba singse phangbangam daba kanagumma gi masa masu singi scholarship tanagi haiba matamda masagi yumpham leiriba adugi pata paidabana maram oirkanda scholarship thaba yadaba anouba department amagi employee khara lowgadori hair phawda employment exchange dagi latest khazana thibagi receipt yaudragadi card thaba yade haibana singba masi phawba ekoi Manipur da 1960 gi LRX se hek chanaba hokhiba nimit tagi ngasi phawba survey tawbidana department singsina tumchallaga khangjanladadana leiba matam gi chatkiba lengak singsina negligence mayam sina masi phawba ekoi lamdam sida leiriba Meitei lamdam sidai da natana malem ya tai mafam amata da leiriba Meitei singse masi hofam leitaba Meitei singse ngasi ekoi iramdam sidai da saidang aba leiba la aba atopadagi la bumi dauna leiba se masigi damakta Meitei Tribe Union ngasi ge program se tangthok chabani